GADV presents things to consider before you choose to explore on two wheels. Today's topic, tire pressure check and chain maintenance. First, refer to your owner's manual when deciding to check your air pressure, as many motorcycles are a bit different. Again, check your owner's manual for more information when you need to clean your chain. A lot will depend on the riding conditions. First, you want to spray on some chain cleaner. Then you will scrub the chain with a chain brush. Wipe off the grime. And lastly, spray some lube, wiping the excess off. Now you're ready to ride.